SwissBorg is the official partner of my channel where you can buy, sell, hold, and more importantly stake your cryptocurrencies. You can even earn yield on your stablecoins. Sign up with my link and you'll earn up to $100 worth of their native token CHSB just for depositing €50 worth of crypto. SwissBorg. Hello everybody, welcome back. Waking up to a nice sea of green. Very nice, as I had positioned myself appropriately over the last few days in altcoins and in Bitcoin for leverage positions, and yeah. I did say it, didn't I? I did say it. So this is what I think is going to be, and may still continue. I'm pretty sure it will continue, but we've got to look at things on daily closures. This is going to be the last bounce that I've been referring to, the last bounce. So, like I say, it shouldn't come as any surprise. I've been talking about it for at least a week or so, moving into this week where things have started to really pick up pace, and it's all to do with the currency pairs. So again, I've put it all out there. I showed you exactly the deal. Pound and euro coming down to those major supports, both gaining support on there. Look, they're both significant downtrend. This is why I call it the last bounce. These are almost guaranteed to go back down unless, of course, central bankers do something very significant to either move these back up. But the Dixie obviously coming down as a matter of course. Now we are looking at this only on a 4-hourly, and the 4-hourly currently is riding on the 10 exponential. If this were to break, then we'd come down to a 21 exponential. So we're only looking for a little tiny more pulls back on this 4-hourly to what, 112.8. That's no big deal, is it? So, like I say, we're not looking for any major corrections or anything like that on the Dixie. We're talking 111.8 maybe for the 10 exponential on the daily. So that's just for today. And for the weekly, we're talking 109. So basically 109. That would be the max pullback probably over the next few weeks. The max pullback. Well, I wouldn't say max. There is a chance the 21 gets tagged, but I mean that would be pretty awesome if it did, because that would make this one last bounce a significant bounce. And remember, I haven't really particularly used the Bitcoin or crypto or any kind of chart other than working out who's going to have the most powerful moves, based on stuff like divergences and stuff like that. The main indicator for all of this has been the euro and the pound. And so we're trading Bitcoin and crypto through association with a bounce on those currencies and a downtrend or a pullback on the Dixie. That's all. And if this entire situation starts to gain momentum, like it seems to be doing with other things, so we got oil sort of finding a bounce. I haven't even looked at traditional markets, not that they're open yet, but I bet you will see that the CFD Nasdaq is finding a bit of a bounce. Yeah, it's up 1%. So yeah, it looks like my theory so far appears to be accurate. It seems to be working, and that's great. So there's really nothing more to this right now. It is very simple. There's no point in me going, oh, look at this, and people doing this, and oh, look at this Elliott wave. It goes all the way around the loop, and it actually looks a little bit like a penis. There's no point in doing any of that. There's not really much point in doing any of this. The main focus and the main drive currently is going to be, we need markets to move like the pound and the euro. That's what we need. We need markets to move like the pound and the euro. Whatever the pound and the euro do, markets are going to do. It sounds really stupid like that, but it's true, because the inverse effect is that this is going to come down and all markets start to move up when the Dixie comes down. Right, I mean, we are doing the live stream tonight. If you want to join the Patreon, we basically look through a whole range of different altcoins or whatever chart as you want me to look at, and we can do that because at the moment we might as well consider these charts to be, I wouldn't say healthy, but we can treat them on face value. This is what we were saying about EOS yesterday. EOS, has got the bullish divergence on this 4-hourly, which is why it was my altcoin of choice to go long on, despite it being EOS and stuff like that. So there are things that you can do and monitor and look at still. So if you want to join the Patreon, it's £7.50 a month, 2 live streams a week. Access to the Telegram group and all that sort of stuff. Otherwise, good luck out there. I still think most things are going to go up. Obviously, no altcoin is created equal, nor is no stock. But it does look like my theory of the last bounce before the crash, bear in mind, is unfolding in front of our very eyes. So this might only take a couple of days, Might take a couple of weeks. It might last forever, but it's probably going to get faded given the situation in the broader economic environment. Right, I'm going to leave it with you there, guys. Hopefully that is in some way useful to you. It effectively looks like confirmation of the theory, so just keep your eyes on the pound and the euro. Take it easy.